Good morning. Happy Saturday, everybody. We're still in Squamish. We spent the night at this lovely hotel. Mountain Retreat. It's big. There's a bathroom, there's a living room, and there's a bedroom. We're leaving now. We just got home, and Jock just told us, remember Rockin' Robin? The bird, and they're sleeping. Just a second. There we go. Yes. So cute. Okay, we're gonna leave him be before Mama comes home. What are you looking for?
My key.
Turn the light on. Then we can see.
I can't see.
Ah. We're just leaving the house. Surprise.
We gotta go walk it off.
We don't have to. So we're just going out. Sue's, we'll probably be out here for a bit. Sue's a Range Rover. She's trying to get down the stairs.
Range Rover.
She's a little sore from the climb yesterday. I'm feeling it too. We're going to our friend JD and Joanne's house. We're gonna see what's going on up there.
Met them before.
Yeah, absolutely. You met them before. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whose vlog is this, anyways?
Mine. Juice. Come here. Go see Wayne.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hey, come on.
We don't have a dog. Hey, kids. What that says.